We own this!
Pag pwede rin mag-chip.
So that come the team fight, come the entry of the shortcut, you have an ability to counter it. But no, there's no
Drafting.
Wala, ayaw bigay.
Wala, pwede rin.
Ay, binigay pwede rin.
The Fredrin get the carry. They're gonna have to take the Faramir on the first two.
Drafting.
I agree. I think Onyx, Fnatic Onyx needs
Ay, no, binalo nila
Go
yung
game,
para
ano na to? Game 6?
Oo, Valentine.
Binalo
Na
nila
sila
yung
sa
para
para
sa
sa host.
binigay yung
Tama
Angela
yung
Gabi.
ano. Game 2 pa lang, alam mo yun, Boss Manjin eh, no? Ban niya tayo
Angela
pati
Lim.
ng Pars, ano?
Angela Lim.
Ayos ba yung call ko doon, par?
Oo, tama. Tama yung ano mo doon, Boss Manjin.
Tingin ko, coach na ako eh. Ngayon mo ako tawagan, Tori, ng alauna.
Yeah, gana yan.
Hey, ang awit kay Kuya Tori, no? Ngayon lang hindi na-predict ni Kuya Tori yung future.
Pero predict ko yan, wala na, tapos na yan, Porto na yan. Kahit anong pick yan, Porto na yan.
Wow! Up for the X-Bro pick.
Nakita ko na si Coach Yep, galit na, sabi ni Coach Yep.
Picks up the Pharaohs or whatever. I have the X-Bro and I have the
Angela Sisi.
for the Chichi Angela pick.
Ay na naman si Sisi, eh, no?
Pick maybe. Can see.
Franco na naman. Franco na naman si Dwayne, guys.
Baka
Franco
baka
Pedrin.
Franco Beatrix na nila to ha, para sure.
Franco Pedrin.
It'll be kind of tough up against the CC because she
Franco ka.
Onik.
Export and Freddy, nakita nila.
Hindi
Okay.
sila magpa-Franco agad, no?
Hey Onyx, pick the link.
Yung pang ano mo dyan.
We're ready for you. It's like
Ano kaya Euro ni Dreams, no?
asking them. Yeah.
Claude. Yun! Wag lang nakasprint.
Ay, ito maganda na to, guys.
Claude first, so
Di mag-sprint dyan, natuto na yan.
Hindi na mag-i-sprint yan.
telling me box is still open.
Di mag-sprint dyan. May napanood dyan, Tore.
Wag nakasprint yan, puchat. Ano to?
Another front liner
Bet
because
fixing.
then you'll be lacking magic.
May napanood yan, Tori.
Right
Ayun.
now, other than the fact that we already saw or telegraphed the export getting picked in the first 3 picks,
Ooh,
they banned out the
Nolan.
face-off. At the same time, looking at the pick for Fnatic Onyx, if ever they could have gone
Nolan na.
export jungle, I wouldn't have minded it. Export jungle plus the Angela plus the CC, I feel like Eva's Glory read into that. That's why
Pinapan-
they just picked up
sorry.
the export in the Fredrin already.
Napanood na?
Put it away. So now you're really left with, you're not gonna barracks into an export. Boxer is here. What you're left with is gonna be a tanky jungler.
Pasar naman.
And I think EVO's Glory will ban out the Ling and the last pick because they
Ibos!
fight the Ling Angela combo.
Game 7.
Wag!
Oh,
Minuto.
Forbit nga si Kyrie eh.
It is a pick that can shut down the Claw technically as well. And from the looks of it, it's gonna be an all-out dive. So, the unique song is something that's in the consideration. Because the Edith is the band that Evo...
Ban edit. In-edit
They
na.
are challenging Onyx to pick the Ling here. For sure, they're challenging. Hey Kyrie, pick the Ling.
Sure na to,
We're ready for
na,
you.
kinutan na, boss.
Basically, they're doubling down on the challenge.
Tournament na to.
Ionic did not bite, but now they are forced to answer.
Tinutan na eh.
Will the Ling be picked? Will Fnatic Onyx answer the challenge of the mortals?
Tournament.
Tournament na to, kinutan na.
So yeah,
Oh, backshoe issue.
play the safe route here. So they already have the frontliners in the box of the CC. Your CC is making your
Ah,
main
Basta kawali.
alongside
Ang dalawang
Sinakshoes ah.
magic damage. That's what hurts. There's a little bit of magic damage.
I've been waiting for too long.
Is this Kyrie Kaja?
parang sarap ng lineup na naman ng Evo. Sa Daypable na naman, ah.
kinuha nila si Marty. Oh. Uy, Kaja!
Ako!
Naku, mga pang buset.
Ignite na, naalala mo yung mga screen
Saan trip yan
natin.
dyan, drop? Saan trip nyo yan, drop?
Remember,
Evo sa tata. Para game 7 na ata tayo.
Boss.
Okay na, game 7. O, pag AFK journey na lang, guys. Game 7 na to
Pag
eh.
nag-late, feeling ko pag late game
Ay,
7.
kala ko lang pusta no, tid na kapag nag-game 7 na.
Hindi, talo na ako ngayon. Wala na.
Wala na. Kailangan hindi na mga 2 wins yung ano. Ibos?
Dapat di makatuwin siya Ibos eh. Minus to ko eh.
Uy, Gord!
Oh, putik. Wala, di ibos mo na lang, no?
Ibos na lang.
Problema pag nanali Onyx. Problema pag nanali Onyx, double talo.
So I think that's a good pick, but I'm still towards edging to
God.
Evo's draft because it's much
Gord
better
series
back
eh.
to back.
Putang ina.
Ang sarap ng hero ng ano, par.
very quick
Nung Evos.
Bago talo na sila, dalawang X-Borg.
Dalawang Xbox sila eh.
Nakadalawang X-Borg, wala, GG.
Dalawang Xbox yun.
Na, dalawa, anip yun.
Game 7,
Dalawang
pre.
magde-depth, dalawang sideline.
We have seen the draft index.
Naniniwala ako sa Kaja Kari eh.
For now. So we have to wait and see. Is it gonna be a clear front to back? Is Evo
De Pabol, guys.
just go for these pickups again?
Pag naka-snowball talaga ng early ang Evos.
Fnatic have an answer
Game
to all
7,
the
so parang.
Can they beat their worst nightmare?
That's the question. Ladies and gentlemen, game
Paano naman, manalo na ako.
with the gods of bleeding.
Pero, tingnan natin, ganda ng hero ng Evos.
Turning off for the people's champions, Evo's glory. Are we looking? Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Babalik nga ba ang Evo sa international?
Fnatic Onyx. Let's get into
Babalik.
Sa MPLID, wala pang ibang team na nanalo, laging tatlo lang.
Game with the box.
Onyx, RRQ, tsaka Evos lang.
Boxer Angel combo again. All strategies coming back here.
BTR, ang lakas ng regular season eh, no? Pagdating ng playoffs, iba eh.
Nabaldog eh, no?
Against a export, against
Aldumir eh.
carry as well. It's gonna
Pang iba yung drop rin nila.
be a big problem for Kyrie to try and sustain through.
Naku,
Ayun,
patay si
yan ang
Dreams.
sinasabi.
Patay si Dreams.
Wala na.
Nice.
Nice one.
Truan.
First blood for Kyrie.
Kasi direct pre kasi
Frontline for the team.
kumbaga yung mga sinulat nila na i-shoot eh.
And on your point,
Mga
if the
segment.
also engage, we have the
Pasok
advantage
eh.
Naisusulat pala, no?
go with the entanglement or
Lahat ng
minsan
nasa
kasi
program
yung
may
mga direct,
nagawa
nagsusulat
eh.
na yan.
spammable
Pag kunyari, game 4, nagsusulat na ng mga segment yan.
I think the main problem comes when
Panalo si Derek.
Uy!
Whoa.
Sabi ni Rick,
Uy!
lahat na sinulat ko ah.
The sprint, a weird angle, but he will lose a
Nakasprint to.
Uy, nakasprint par!
minion in the bottom lane.
Sino?
Yung Claude.
Yung Claude,
Ay nako,
nakasprint!
Jewe!
Dreams on the
Nagkamali.
Naku, patay Chewe! Doon, natalo!
along with Grant.
Huling nag-sprint na 4-0 eh.
It's gonna be short burst as well.
Hindi, baka ano, Boss Manjin, tinan mo daw. Dito, ganito daw gawin.
Sabi sa inyo, pag nanalo yan ha, na-inspire yan sa akin.
They now are gonna be posturing around the first turtle of the game.
Pagbutos, ah.
We're almost at level 5.
Yeah.
So at level 4, Annabelle. Meanwhile, they're going for the contest. They're gonna go
Si
for
Dreams,
the
ah.
first.
Dreams able to escape the curtain call used up. Time Dreams and clocking up, and Fluffy is doing some damage, putting that side.
Tumapang si Flappy mag-expert ko.
Starts up the
Wala,
first
turtle dance. Ang lupit ng turtle dance nila.
Divine Judgment
3 minutes na nga eh, oh.
onto Kyrie.
Grabe nila yung
Right now, Divine
Divine
Judgment pull Kyrie away, and Annabelle should be able to find him.
Ow!
Bakit?
Nice!
Sakit nun!
Even with
Galing.
the divine judgment, but looks like
Flicker pa si Fluffy.
Fluffy
Nice
could be
one.
forcing a flicker there. But even with the divine judgment being
Mali yung
pulled
hatak
in,
na, tinatak na lang pag ano na.
the level advantage still
Pag
has
low na,
an
low na.
advantage on the neutral objective take, and they will be pulling up first with the goal difference.
Guard na pala ni Sans to eh.
And Kyrie is in enemy territory, trying to go for the invade already up against this Frederick. You can see the Kimo is just trying to be as active as possible, influencing these fights ever so slightly. Sans is
Totoo yan, ano, Kira Asakura, totoo yan, ano.
Dolphin goes for the missed
Totoo yan.
touch right there, but they don't really have
Ano nga natin guys, refresh natin.
mainly
Medyo
looking
delay
for
ata
those
tayo.
kind of pickups. So even when Dreams was able to go for the Divine Judgment, it was meant to be more of a lock-in to try and guarantee the retribution, not a pick-off. And because of that, it's still a pretty good trade for Fnatic Onyx. But now with Dreams on the prowl, ever more than before, it's gonna be a bit more difficult, especially because they don't really have someone to walk in the front except for Kyrie.
Yan na, titin natin si Dreams.
And I'm wondering,
Naku,
even if
kasi
they go for
feeling
the
ko,
defense, right, even
na
if
ba
they
ng
go for
admin
the
ko eh.
offense, where's the damage? Nice one. Just purely Annabelle and Glockon in the early stage of the game.
It has to be only from them.
Papalag
And I
na.
assume that there's gonna be more plays
Tadyo
from
sila.
the
Ayan na,
side.
Dreams.
Also, the
Yan na
Grants
naman.
Fluffy
Sila.
can kind of weigh in on that situation, get more damage in on the
Nakita.
Divine Judgment. We can see that for the most part, Evos, they're playing it kind of passively actually, reacting to the movements of Fnatic Onyx, respecting that global presence, that powerful early game from the box ship.
And now both of these teams
Oh! Naku, Dreams! Mali mo yun!
Addiction!
Grabe yun, Kiboy.
He went out from CW! Gonna go in the back line, but will not be able to find the range.
Mali flicker
What
niya.
was that, Keyboy? What was that reaction time, Glockon? Putting some damage back on Suns.
Uy.
without any losses.
Montage
Parang ano to,
daw.
boss?
First move, they kind of go and
8 game ka Jakari to,
Xborg,
boss.
sa Xborg ako pagka late game.
Xborg.
Iba ang Xborg. Ayun lang, pinagdikit. Takbo, pinagdikit.
Onte.
Ganyan din lamang ng Onyx kanina eh.
8K nga yun eh. Hirap mag-dep pag may Xborg eh.
That was a 2v3 situation and they were able to get the
Ay, hirap mag-push, no?
Fluffy taken off the board. But Fnatic Onyx, why don't they go straight for the turtle? What are they waiting for?
Kanina pa ako nakaupo dito, guys. Gusto ko na tumayo. Atayo na nga.
Utility tools, Evos has an advantage.
Hirap lang nakaupo eh.
Fnatic Onyx will be able to get the first neutral objective. A great start, but keep in mind, it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish.
Baro-bali ni Lutfi, ano? Walang flicker eh.
Of the skies, the
Huli
kings
ka.
of the galaxy. As it looks like Keyboy picks up a flask of the
Ba't kaya
Oasis.
Lutfi si Lutfi?
It will turn the tables around in these team fights.
So the Oasis will definitely have a big thing to
Tip niya yan, boss eh.
It will kind of
Lutfi eh.
calculations sideways as
Saan mo
well.
nakuha yan, boss?
Nakabasag sila, Brands. Eh, ito po. Pabuli yung si
Nakita
Chewe.
yung Kaja.
Ayun lang, nagkamali ka, Dreams dun.
Naku po. Wala. Palpak yung mga pasok ni Kaja, boy.
FNOC with a massive advantage here in the 6th minute of the game.
Pero nasusit na ano pa, litip pa nila yung mga tower. Oh.
Gush that will be
Diba?
able to zone them away.
Wala.
Eh, andyan si Lutfi. Pumasok.
Baliwala lang, 2k gold lead lang.
And overtime damage. He's recalling. Lutfi cancels it out. The Terrify out. It is engaged.
Naku, natali na naman.
The curtain call ties them up. Fnatic on it.
Tinamaan lang. Nice
In
one.
the bottom lane. Klokun is down.
Keron,
The sandwich play works out for Fnatic
Bibigyan nila yung baba.
with 2 members taken down in that exchange with the price of none. That
Bigyan nila yung baba.
Lutfi.
did not pay off. And turns out CW was able to get a lot out
Basag
from
ba yung
it.
top?
A tower
Basag.
spot
Di ata eh.
inside it, 2
Basag ba?
assists as he's
Ay,
looking
andun
for
na.
more items
Basag
to
din.
get to that power spike.
In the meanwhile, though, on the top side, Fluffy was
2K
able to
gold
actually
lead lang, par.
utilize in the turret game.
Nagkakamali pa si Dreams nun, eh, no?
For Evos, but they're still on the back foot. Same thing applies though. The longer this game goes, the more there's ways for Evos to try and find their way to claw back to victory. Especially with a tool as powerful as Divine Judgment. If the hands get around,
Dami talagang tao,
play the macro game, it will still be able to be
Panalo, mga tao. Sabi, worth it pa na, panalo.
Evos always first to the party.
Panalo si Direk
Let's see
talaga.
if they can finish it, right?
Alam mo,
You
Direk.
can see that Kyrie is at level 10
Wala pa.
already. So Dreams
Di makapwesto si
needs
Dreams.
to pull out a miracle.
Mas nakakatakot yung pangko niya kaysa Kaja.
Alam nila, alam nila kung saan magagaling.
Sakit, gago.
Wala, oh. Wala. Nag-moment press yung ano, Kaja.
Hindi
no?
na makita ni
Flicker
ano,
out lang.
Chewe.
Dreams wasn't able to utilize the Divine
Wala, GG.
Ba, sorry, nakasprint yan.
Nakasprint nga eh. Ganun pala gumamit.
Ano yun?
Ganun pala.
Iwas kasi sa ano yan, sa sabog ng Xbox.
Iba ka. Ba't ibang-iba yung galawan mo, Kuis? Sprint patakbo eh.
Both Annabelle and Fluffy, the key players here for Evos' composition when it comes to contesting ground.
So, Devable Esports to?
The rest of the team needs to back away with
Ako
them.
naniniwala ko kay Blar, Devable Esports.
Xboard carry, tas may Kaja. Pag lumalim ka, tapos ka, Chewe.
Oo. Kahit yung ano, no, kahit yung back siya, natutunaw, no?
Late game.
Kaya na, nag-item check na, Blar.
Ayun na, item check.
Nag-item check na.
Napakinggan mo
Tingnan nyo na yan.
Ilang games yan bago ipakita.
From his third item.
Next season na ulit yung next item check niyan.
To combo that
Totoo
in
lang.
with Divine Judgment from Dreams.
If you look at Sans here on
Ito, ingatan na guys. Ito. Gagamitin na kaya nila si Dreams. Hindi nila walang mga huli si Dreams. Wala pala. Anong clicker.
Pahuli.
Ayan na! Sandwich! Masarap! Inches Burger.
Chewe,
Yun na,
nakita si
nagutom
Chewe.
na.
Alam si Chewe, patay na naman yata si Dreams.
Ayan na oh. Dreams, ang sarap mo.
Hindi magamit yung Dreams kung hihila. Boss!
Wala siyang flicker eh. Oh, pa-cooldown pa lang.
Hindi niya gamay yung mas gamay niya yung ano.
They push
Parang,
the
ano?
tempo and they push the pace.
100k post ako sa Onyx, ipanalo nyo yan. Grabe nga.
Right, so that 3
Paano nga?
spike for the
Aldo
Claw.
yan ah.
Finally,
Sige, good luck sa 100k mo.
Parang di naman.
Parang di naman, wala nga sa itsurang may 5k ka. Wala, comment ka
Team
lang.
leader.
Ano na po? Tapos na to.
And the balls, and the balls.
Dalawa lang.
Kings of
And
the
the
Skies,
balls.
they are picking up
And
where
the
they
balls, and the
left
balls.
off. And in this 10th
Ayan kasi magtatang kasi Kyrie. Kung kanina ka pa nagtank,
with a 7K
easy win lang.
gold lead, looking to make it a 7K.
Sure win na eh, no?
Evo's losing more and more control.
Pinaganda lang,
as the game
pinasarap
goes
daw.
on.
Nagling ano eh, nagling Nolan eh.
Tinalo na
Ayun.
yung push ka ni Royce eh.
And the speed,
sabi ko sa
man,
inyo,
is a
nanostra ko na
deadly
yan eh.
weapon in the hands of Fnatic on it.
Porto na.
Cutting off Evo's from the safety zones. Doesn't
Boxing
matter
is finished, Bobby.
Divine Judgment, when there's no safe area, there's no team
Lord's
to pull
name.
the victim to.
Kung Bea pa to, maniniwala pa akong Depable eh. Lakas kasi ng Bea X-Borg eh.
They've been so good at taking that kill
The boxing is
pressure away.
finished.
Dream still at 0-3-0.
Congrats, Kyrie! Iba ka talaga.
One of his signature
Forfeit.
picks. They have not been able to make it work.
Sure win na
Dahil sa Tosino yan eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have been in this
Nakaano
position.
pa yan?
na to.
8K gold lead now for Fnatic.
Hindi na, tumayo na pati. Ayun, oh, tumayo na sila oh.
Finesse.
Champion daw.
They wanna finish
Champion na,
this off.
champion na.
Uy, dalawang
Nagkano
beses
na, nag-post na si
pinakita oh.
Albert.
Item check ulit. Champion na daw eh.
We saw that
Oo,
Nag-post na, nag-post na guys.
kind of loses out on it.
Nanalo lang si Direk, pinagbigyan lang si Direk.
Oo.
Idol.
Nice, G!
Nature.
Iba.
Sabi sa inyo, alas 11 ang ano eh, ang booking eh.
Sakit
to. Kasi, de-guard kasi sila ngayon eh. Guard yung mage nila eh. Kanina kasi, yung mga mage pang ano eh.
So, Depable? Depable, guys.
Boom.
Wag lang talagang maka-scale tong ano, X-Borg.
Not with the First Lord.
True.
Bumalik talaga yan. Bumalik.
Increasing that order even more, and especially the level advantage as well.
Tama, wala pang item yan oh. Mamaya yan.
Kyrie!
We can secure an insane level advantage, already approaching level 15 here. It's gonna be
Di pa kasi
a great
eh,
situation for
para sa Onyx
Fnatic to be in.
ng 3-0.
Great security in securing that Lord,
Oh, guys,
but
paldo
also
yan
very
si
fight
Kyrie
potential if they
pag
can make sure
nagkataon.
they keep the goal differential increasing.
The crowd
Pinagpala
is
talaga si
ladies and
Kyrie.
gentlemen. Everyone is watching in suspense. Evil's fans
Ang isa at dalawang
are
champion,
watching
iba yun.
on
Pero yung
the
apat,
screen as they are enhancing
na
their
magkakasunod,
in
anak ka ng
suspense
Diyos
of what
nun.
will come next.
Ano na yan, no? Forfeit.
Forfeit.
Depable?
Parang-
Depable pa ba, guys?
Parang kaya nila eh, no?
Oo. Kaya Dep.
To still escape.
Si Kyrie na ang faker ng MLBB.
Don't even able to react.
Madaming league.
Especially from Fnatic on it, because they can just keep going for plays like this.
Ang X-Borg, Ibong Mama.
Finals ng baby. Tingnan muna natin sino muna nanalo. Baka, di, malason pa eh.
Baka malasa.
So even especially
Then 9k gold
in
leaf,
those
wala yan.
mutual objective fights that Evo's glory have always been so
Kaso
solid,
to,
so
pag si
good,
Dreams
and
makaisa lang to sa
they
Cloud,
find
putang
ways to just outplay Fnatic on
Hook
it.
lang no, ay maano lang, mahila.
Talagang shoot down talaga, shoot down.
They're trying to control
Shoot down.
their orange buff.
Pag to talaga, nag-match Yung last winner
ah,
ka.
oh.
Hindi ako nag-match winner guys, mababa yung odds.
Di ko,
Depende tayo.
di magamit ni Dreams yung ulti.
Launch.
Ano nga ano mo? Kung sino ka mananalo.
Mababa. Ano Nostra mo, Tori?
Si Onyx na yan, Matic.
Onyx na daw, Onyx na.
yan.
Iangat na yung ano, trophy.
Angat na yung trophy.
Ayun sa, ano ang nakikita ni Tori Kama? Onyx na?
Ano
Onyx na yan.
last match kay Tori?
Oo. Hindi talaga, si Kyrie na talaga ang totoong Lord of the Rings. Pang-apat na singsing, mga kaibigan.
Lord of the Rings.
Lord of the Rings.
Ayun na, ang Lord.
Ayun na, oh, nakuha na nga ni Kyrie yung Lord, oh. Pati malakas ang Lord pag Sunday.
Double ba o Depable?
Iba eh. Nakuha na ni Kyrie yung Lord, oh, eh. Linggo ngayon. Mati.
Ayan. Makulit ka kuya Tori ha, negative 1 ka sa langit.
Ayun na, nagre-ready na si Ibo.
Oh, naisusulat yun. Oh.
Meeting na ng bagong unit.
Depable ba guys?
Okay, paalam, Ibos. Bawi sa MSC.
Pasubugin nyo na, pasubugin nyo ano.
Bawi sa MSC. Rekta.
Backslong.
Tapusin.
Patay siya ano, pakukot guys. Ay, hindi, kaya pa, Depable pa.
Pag hindi kaya, umatras. Pag hindi kaya, atras.
Their structure ruined. Calvin will not
Uy,
try
muntik
again.
na!
With a Battle Mirror image
Ito, mama.
escaping from the divine judgment.
Ayaw umila, ba't
Si
ayaw
Flappy,
umila?
di ba uuwi ah? Di
Takot,
uuwi si
takot, takot
Flappy ah.
ihila.
Using
Wala
the
akong
Braga
flicker.
armor this time.
Wala naman siyang flicker.
Having to run all the way back.
Wala,
Base
basag,
jump
walang
remaining
Braga armor.
For Evo's glory, for their chase.
Lock ba? Lock? Hindi, endable ba?
Two waves.
Ba't ba kayo sa ganyan?
But
Hindi
you
na
know, Mystic
umila.
Rush from Sans. Two-man top for Annabelle. But he gets shredded down.
Masyado
Wala,
na
GG.
nice! Nag-dash in, pareha rin si Brand.
Oy, GG!
GG na?
GG na to guys. Tagi na to guys. Walang wind of nature yan guys.
Champion na to, gago!
Forfeit, par!
Sila rin vengeance.
Champion!
Guys.
Forfeit! Forfeit!
Champion na! Guys! Perfect guys! Raja
Congrats,
Galak.
congrats!
Undefeated?
Pinasarap lang, gusto pang panalo.
Forfeit,
Galak
par!
si guys. Grabe yung Onyx guys.
Forfeit talaga.
Ang inang yan.
Mga Galaxy.
Wala.
This
Challenge.
is not a boy, this is not Maloy, this is Baby Boy.
After
13 guys putik.
the Sky Kings
Orbit,
continue
MPL.
their reign. And their
Sabi,
reign
Orbit, pre.
Kaya pag nag-champion pa sila MSC, no? Back-to-back MSC pa sila. no?
Angas! Congrats, congrats!
Congrats. Congrats guys. Congrats kay Coach Chib.
Makakain na ng hapunan, guys!
Onyx.
Aray, inangkin yung Indo, no?
Oo, inang guys.
Wala. Kay Kyrie. Kay Kyrie ang kalahati ng Indonesia. Pengi naman kahit one word.
Best esports pickup, Potek.
Oh, swerte sa ano?
Lunatic.
Swerte sa
Orbit, pre.
import.
Lunatic.
Oo.
at the very end.
Ano yun, naka-tempo kay Kyrie, Potek.
Heavens themselves.
2 years, walang yun.
Ano tayo, tita? Laro tayo, tita.
2
Sige,
years.
sige, mamaya.
Dalawang taon.
Mag-end-live ka na ba?
Ano no?
End-live ka na?
Oh, kain muna.
Sige.
GG,
Congrats,
GG.
congrats, Onyx. GG. Nice play pa rin, Ibos. Bawi
Kasi
na
namin
lang
palang
MSC,
panalo,
Ibos.
hindi ko pa pinanalo sa
Bawi MSC.
Kaya nga eh, pinaano pa.
Onyx, guys, go.
Pinatagal pa.
Sarap.
Oo, hindi pa pinaano. Forfeit for the
Congrats,
first time sa
forfeit.
history sila nakagawa. Wala pa nakagawa.
Deserve. GG.
History. GG, Boss Manjin, tsaka Boss Midnight.
Oy, nag-champion Manjin, kuys!
Ting-ting talaga.
Yung naka-sprint.
Sarap pa rin talaga ng chasing ni Coach Chib.
Icy sprint.
Ina, tumutan pa ng gano'n.
Anis.
Ano sabi? Ano naka...
Sige boy.
Manonog.
Uy.
Competitive. Made it look difficult.
Ang ano nga, men. Isipin mo yun.
Up against the Sky
Si Sans ang MVP ko dito. MVP nyo.
Oo, baka si
Ano
Sans
yan?
yan. Feel ko, Sans.
Sans? Sans MVP?
Wala, Sans.
The Evo's glory.
Sans ako dito.
Our Cinderella
Panalo
story,
si
our
Derek.
anime arc, the people's
Sans talaga
champions
nag-highlights.
had pushed
Si ano yan? Si Albert.
Boy?
Si Albert.
Si Albert. Grabe talaga si Albert, guys.
Ganda ng ginawa eh. Ano? 10 claps per game.
Iba yun eh. Matik yun eh.
10 claps per game eh.
Of Indonesia.
Lala nitong team na to, grabe.
Ah.
Golden Road na naman sila, no?
Oo, gago, angas.
Team.
For themselves.
Lagi
Iba lang,
silang
ano lang,
grand final
madalang
specialist
nakakagawa niyan.
Golden team na ata to, eh, no? Golden team.
This team
Wala
Lagi
ka
naman
pa.
playground.
Panatik ang Waldo dyan.
Wala,
Panati.
malakas rin talaga sila, guys. Yung
Hindi ko,
Onyx.
puntahan nyo na sa ano to, eh, Indo-wise. Feel ko lang.
Hindi boss, wala na. Pang ano na lang talaga kami, pang ano na lang kami ngayon.
Wise, wag ka na
Nakakimbi ka na, eh.
Wise, wag mo na kami lokohin.
Nakakimbi ka na, Wise, eh. Di kami naniniwala.
Pang ano na lang, pang
iba
content
yan eh.
creator na lang.
Wise, mga si Midnight. Iba lang, bigyan na.
Ayan na.
worth everything.
Onyx, Onyx. Panatik, Onyx. Eh,
Swerte ng Panatic sa investment ah.
Will smile even with that
Oo,
loss.
team. Super
Nice
team.
Stronger, just like they did in the regular season.
Ayan na oh.
Just like
Pang-apat na trophy, baka
but
coach yan.
today is a time.
Kulang na yung daliri ni Yeb. Oy, man dyan, inaaya ka ni Burrito. Lalaro ka ba?
GG na ako, GG na.
This is the moment that we have been
Apat na
waiting
rin.
for.
Tingin ko, ano eh, si Lutfi ang ano eh. Grand Finals MVP eh.
Oh, feeling ko may may chance din, Lutfi.
Lutfi.
Oo, si Lutfi eh. Si Lutfi.
Ganda
ang
ng pinakita
Grand
ni Lutfi, malupit.
Ay, gago solo ang angat ni Lutfi oh, kasi naangat na nila yun eh. Nila Albert, nila Kyrie yan eh. Ay, mga bago, yung mga bago yung nag-angat.
Angas.
Oo.
Congrats kay Lutfi, bagong pasok. Champion agad.
Nagulat.
Sabi si Luti.
Si Lutfi.
Nagulat na smokes.
Ayun, nagulat ni ate.
Nalit yung yung confetti.
It has been an amazing
Oo, nalit yung
season.
confetti. Yun lang, doon lang napagdo, direct.
Forfeit, pare. Parang Jordan.
Arashi.
Forfeit.
Reptar all
GG guys, congrats. 4
Solid. Madalang nakakagawa niyan, no?
First time sila.
Hindi na kaya.
Sa Pinas pa
Hindi
iba-iba,
na
di ba?
kaya.
of sweat.
Oh, sa Pinas, iba-iba sila, ano, consistent.
Ayan, tara na daw, mag-sardinas na, sabi ni B.
Ayun, Sardinas, yari na.
Wait lang, magbubukas lang ako.
GG, Boss Midnight, Boss Manjin at Dilarmy. Laro tayo mamaya. Ah, end live na ako.
Thank you, standby.
Ay, Dilar, mamaya, it's okay.
Eh,
Chat-chat na lang.
chat na natin. Yeah.
Untuk bergabung
GG, GG.
GG.